know what happens when you get upset.
You do?
Bad things happen, right?
Sometimes.
I know it must be difficult staying here. I'm gonna make you a promise, okay? I promise to find you a new home with a family that understands you, loves you. I promise. But you gotta make me a promise. You gotta promise to be good.
And you, Dave?
Will be the first to die.
June in 2015. Here's the storyline. June is a 9-year-old orphan girl who shares her body with an ancient supernatural being whose mission is to destroy mankind to allow nature to prevail on Earth. Directed by L. Gustavo Cooper. Written by Sharon Y. Cobb and L. Gustavo Cooper. Released October 13th, 2015. Tagline: Evil rages within. Here's the cast. Casper Van Dien as Dave Anderson, Victoria Pratt as Lily Anderson, Eddie Jemison as Victor Emmanuel, Addie Miller as Lily as a teenager, Aidan Flowers as Bully, Kennedy Brice as June, Theodora Grease as Ms. Wapos, and Lance E. Nichols as Dr. Winstrom. And the cast goes on. Before we get started, let's take a listen to the trailer.
I know what happens when you get upset.
You do?
Bad things happen, right?
Sometimes.
I know it must be difficult staying here. I'm gonna make you a promise, okay? I promise to find you a new home with a family that understands you, loves you. I promise. But you gotta make me a promise. You gotta promise to be good.
And you, Dave?
Will be the first to die.
I've reviewed two other films by L. Gustavo Cooper. The first one was a short film called Velvet Road in 2011, and then it was The Devil's Incarnate in 2013. Now this film, to my opinion, as a full feature film, is the best film that he's done that I've seen. June is about a girl. It starts off with the parents of this baby to be sacrificed for, and then Lily, when she was younger, which you find out later, killed the person that's going to sacrifice her, and her and the baby walks away. Then it comes to present day to where now she's a foster kid, and she's in this foster home, which didn't quite understand how that's even possible in society today. That would never happen, to be in that situation. And then when she gets upset, weird stuff happens. Now you're thinking Carrie and you're thinking Firestarter. Combine those two together and then use Gustavo Cooper's imagination. That's what the film that you're actually seeing here. June, a fantastic actress she was. Kennedy Brice was awesome. fantastic as June. Casper Van Dien played the foster parent, Dave Anderson. Victoria Pratt played her foster mother, Lily Anderson. And Eddie Jemison played Victor Emmanuel. He was like the caseworker to place her in a home. But there's a story behind the story here, because it's not as it seems to be. There is a plan for June. So there you go. It's a supernatural film that when she gets upset, destruction happens. It's not like your full out destruction film. This movie is basically a story building, not some destruction everywhere it goes. It's a pretty cool film. It really is. It is El Gustavo Cooper's best full feature film that I've seen. I recommend it, watching June. The story ends not what I expected, let's put it that way. It's a really cool film. Definitely check this out. June 2015. This is Gruesome Herzog. I give this film a 7.5 out of 10. I really enjoyed this one. It's, again, if you like Firestarter, if you like Carrie, and you throw in some Gustavo Cooper, you have a decent film here. This is Gruesome Herzog, and I'm out of here.